Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable the music widget on the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then we swipe down at the top. In the quick settings panel, tap on the settings icon. In here, we go down and tap on lock screen. Next, go down and tap on widgets. Then tap on music. Tap on the music toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can also change the transparency of the widget. And then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now if you lock your phone screen and turn on the lock screen, you can see on the lock screen here, to open up the music widget, just tap on the clock, and here it is. Here is the music widget, which you can tap on it to quickly play music, or to pause it, or to play the next song or the previous songs. And that's it. Finally, you can just tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.